Now the House has elected a new speaker. I can call and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with him or any Republican Congress to make progress on the American.
We have a no yelling policy at these meetings.
Excuse me. Am I talking to you, Pinhead?
For the American people.
For the American people.
And starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation, they're going to face big penalties. Last week, Americans, you can get tax credits. And the lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see.
There's clearly some dementia. He's not lucid.
Fold. I'm confident. Thank you very much.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?